Today we'll be making pinch pots. I know this will be a review for some of you. Next week we'll be doing a clay mug that you can use, that you can drink out of. That's called functional. So you can think if you want to make something that's functional, something you can use, or something just kind of fun to look at. So I'm going to make a pinch pot and turn it upside down. The first thing I do, you maybe save a little extra clay for extra pieces you're going to add later. Take it in your hands and roll it. And your pinch pots, you saw some on the screen, you can turn them upright and turn it into something, so you could use it to put candy in or paper clips, or you can turn it upside down to make more of a just kind of a fun pot just to look at. That's called non-functional, which means you can't use it, it's more just to look at. After you roll it, don't spend a long time rolling it, just maybe 30 seconds. Take your thumb, push your thumb in the clay, push it in, and then use two hands and squeeze and turn, and squeeze and turn, and squeeze and turn. This, you turn it because if I don't turn it, one side might get super thick and the other side would get really thin. And squeeze and turn. Now, if I want to make, let's say I want to make like the Minion. The Minion, I don't want a wide pot. That's too wide. I want to make it more narrow. But the great thing about clay is you are the boss. You say, I am the boss of you, and I'm going to make you do what I want. So I'm just going to squeeze it kind of tighter together here. And if you get cracks, that's okay. The way we fix cracks, so there's water at your table. You only use one finger. Put one finger in the pot to get some water and rub it over any spot that you get that gets a crack in it. We do not put clay in there. We do not put our rags. We do not put our whole hand. We put one finger only should be what goes in your pot. So I'm making my shape. I'm making trying to make my Minion body shape here. And he is a little bit bigger on the top, on the bottom, sorry, than what he is on the top. And I'm going to go around, I'm going to smooth it out. And then I might think what I want to add. I might want to add the glasses. And I'm probably not going to finish my Minion creature right now because I want to give you time to work. If I want to make one way to do the glasses, I'm going to roll this out and wrap it around for his glasses there. And now when I attach anything, if you were here last year, you will remember score, slip, and stick. Score is where we take our paper clip and make little lines. That's score. The slip is actually just the water. Eventually it'll have some clay in there. And then stick, of course, means you stick it on. The reason we make these little lines is so the water can go down in there and it kind of like gets suctioned together, and that's what holds it together so it won't come apart. So you can think of the song, score, slip, and stick, score, slip, and stick. I take my clay and I score, slip, and stick. I score my clay with my paper clip. I spread the slip with my fingertip. I stick the clay so that it will fit. Score, slip, and stick. Score, slip, and stick. So there's my glasses. And I notice he has kind of an eyeball sticking out of there. And so again, you might want to score either in here or on your little piece. Slip. And this is my eyeball. I'm going to stick. And then you would add whatever pieces you want. So you can make whatever kind of pinch pot you like. When you're done, raise your hand. Please wait for me to come to the table. I'm going to write your names on it. I write names even for 5th grade. I write your name, your table, and your class. And then you're going to wipe your hands on the rag, leave your shirt on the back of your table, and you can go to the carpet.